Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete my CIGNA account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. CIGNA doesn't offer a self-service option to delete or deactivate your CIGNA account directly from the portal. Instead, you'll need to submit a request personally. To do it, what you need to do is use the data digital privacy portal, example GDPR or CCPA, and you can send a request via data deletion tool to ask CIGNA to delete your account or personal data. Or you can also simply head over and call the customer service number at 1-800-244-6224 and then request that your CIGNA account and associated data will be permanently deleted, and then ask for a reference number and confirmation timeline as well. And after you call, send written confirmation by using the secret inbox in your CIGNA account, or send an email to the customer service address or mail a letter to CIGNA Healthcare. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.